Today's Thursday, May 22nd. Today I learned that when you learn of a new thing to take action on, right? Whether that be, like I was reading my Bible, right? And I'm trying to look for things that I can live out in my life. Or maybe watching videos like these, trying to improve your life. Whenever you learn of a new thing that you can take action on it ASAP. As soon as possible, immediately if you can, right? And build this momentum, right? Because it will help ingrain it in your mind and ultimately help you build a habit and improve the way that you live, right? Eventually it'll become involuntary, Lord willing, right? But also, for things that you want to do in this life, these certain far off goals, you're oh, I'll do that when this happens, or I'll do that at a later time. Just do it now. Start it ASAP, right? Starting is not it. There's a very low barrier to entry for starting things, although in our minds there's a high barrier to entry. It's very mentally it is hard to start things, but in terms of actual resources and what we have and blah blah blah, it's very easy to start things, right? So just start it now. Take action on that thing now. If you learn a new thing, just take action on it now. Or if you think, oh, I need to do this thing, start it as soon as possible. Or at least take an action that allows you to take that action later. So put it in put it in your reminders, or put it in whatever, right? Because like I said, it helps build the habit, it helps you remember it. And also taking action, this is life. Your life is defined by the actions that you're taking, right? Your life is not defined by the things you're thinking about. Your life is not defined about the things that you are passively observing. Your life is defined by the actions you're taking, right? So if you want to do a certain thing, if you want your life to be defined by a certain thing, then actually do it, right? If there's a certain attribute that you want to have as a part of your character, then be that attribute, right? Just take action as soon as possible. And another thing I was thinking is it's summer for me right now, or I'm on summer break right now, and I'm kind of wasting my days right now. I have not been doing much this past week, but I'm thinking this is life. Today I was living life. This is what I am doing right now. This is it, right? This is life right now. So make the most of it. Don't be thinking, oh, I'll do it when this happens. Oh, I'll do it when that happens. I'll wait until the next school year starts. I'll wait until blah, blah, blah. No, you're living life right now. And if you want to do something in life, then just do it now. Because right now you're living life. Right? This is life. Where you are at right now, you're living life right now. So make the most of it. This is it. So make the most of it, right? I was just annoyed with myself today because, well, first of all, in the morning, I was trying to do this thing. I was thinking, okay, how can I take action on this, on what I'm reading? How can I take action on that right now, right? And I think it's just a really helpful question to ask in whatever you're learning, whether you're reading something or watching a video or, learning whatever. How can you take action on that right now in this very moment? Create your own opportunities to take action on these things. Don't just wait, because that's what I do a lot. And a lot of times when those opportunities come, I don't realize it. And then I end up not actually taking action, right? So make these opportunities for yourself and take action right now. How can you take action right now? And then today I was just kind of annoyed with myself, or tonight actually, because I was okay, wait, this is life. It's not like these days are blocked out. Oh, this is pre-summertime, so this is the time where I could be lazy and this was the time where I could be super unproductive, and like that wasn't actually me living life. I was just kind of floating. Like, this is why it feels like I'm just like floating through life right now, because that's how I feel. Because I'm not actually doing anything. I'm not taking action. I'm just being super passive about everything. Like, I was literally journaling the other day, and I was writing about like it feels like I'm floating through life. And the reason that is because I'm not living life. Like, are you living, or are you just being alive? Right? And I'm kind of just being alive right now. I'm being super passive about everything. I'm not taking action on what I know and want to take action on. I'm not like this is life. So live it. Don't be passive about it. Take action on the thing that you've always said you wanted to take action on. Take action on the new things that you're learning as soon as possible. Start new things as soon as possible. Especially for me, like, I'm young, so I can fail. Like, I have so much, well, Lord willing, I have so much time. And I have I have freedom to try new things and start new things. So why am I just being super passive about everything? This was kind of for myself, because I'm annoyed at myself and the fact that I am super passive about everything and I have not been taking action. But hopefully this resonated with you, right? Take action now. How can you apply this right now? What new thing are you trying to start? What new thing are you learning? And how can you apply this right now in this very moment once you close this video, right? This is it. Like, this is life, so just make the most of it. Stop floating. Stop being passive. So that's what I learned today. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, then I would love a like or a comment. If you want to see more, then definitely subscribe. This is the video I posted yesterday. You can subscribe in that corner. And if you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.